Hi everyone, I'm Abby, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to correctly and effectively perform a kettlebell goblet squat. All you will need for this movement is a kettlebell, or, if unavailable, this exercise can be performed with a dumbbell or can become a bodyweight movement. To safely perform this exercise, you're going to want to start by choosing a comfortable weight for you. A good measure of manageability with a weight is being able to perform 10 to 12 repetitions of a movement with good form. When holding the kettlebell, grip it by the horns, or the side of the handles, close to your chest, and keep your elbows tucked in. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, with toes pointed slightly outwards. Before starting the movement, you need to engage your core to support your lower back. When you start the movement, push your hips back as if you're sitting in a chair. Keep your chest up and facing forwards, and your back straight. Your knees should go straight out over your toes without collapsing inwards. Lower yourself until your thighs are at least parallel to the ground, or as low as your personal mobility will allow you while maintaining good form. Push through your heels to return to the standing starting position. Make sure not to lock your knees out at the top. Remember to keep your chest lifted to avoid rounding your back, and ensure your knees stay aligned with your toes to prevent knee strain. By following these steps, you can perform kettlebell squats safely and effectively with a reduced risk of injury.